Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online gift store. And I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. The version for the Python I'm using is the Python 3.7 and Django version is 2. And MySQL version is 5.6. For connecting Python Django with MySQL, I'm using the MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. Even you can use the PyMySQL and change the settings in settings.py. Right, you can install PyMySQL and the MySQL connector using the pip also, right? For front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations, creating date calendars, right? I have used the jQuery plugins. This is a Bootstrap theme and it's a responsive. I am not saying that this is 100% responsive, but yes, it's a responsive and Bootstrap theme. So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is Online Gift Store and it's a Python Django web-based mini project. Mini project because it has only customer login. There is no admin login inside the system. Means customer can come in system and he will be able to order the product, right? So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page, right? There is nothing dynamic on it. This is a about page and it's also a static home page. This is a product and you can see all of the products is here. You can see all of the products, right? Even you can filter the products from here. You can see, then you will be able to filter the products, right? Okay, if you click on the buy product, then you will be able to see the details of the product, but you will not be able to buy the product without login, right? Means you must have the user ID and password for buying the product, right? So this is the all products. This is a register. If you don't have the user ID and password, then you will be able to register from here and you can create your user ID and password, and after that you can log inside the system and you will be able to order the product. This is a login form from where you will be able to log in. This is a contact us form. This is a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database, right? So now I am going to log in. Sorry. So the user ID is customer and the password is test. So once I log in inside the system, then you will get the dashboard, right? So let me go through. So here you can see my orders, right? So you can see this is a my order sections. From here you can see all of your orders. You can see all of the items. You can see this is the item details, right? This is items details, right? Again, my orders, you will be able to see all of the orders. If you want to cancel the order, just click on the cancel and that order will be cancelled, right? Okay, so this is the my account from where you will be able to update your account details, right? And this is a change password from where you will be able to update your account password. Now I'm going to buy some of the products, right? So here you once you click on the buy now, this is a product information. You can add it into the cart. You can see that item has added inside the cart. Now I want to add this, so I need these three items, and you can see three items and total cost is calculated automatically, right? So once you click on the continue shopping, then you will be redirected to the product page. From here you can add more items, right? And if you want to remove any items, just click on the delete and that item will be removed from the cart. This is a product proceed to checkout, right? Once you click on the proceed to checkout, then it will ask for card details. It's a dummy card page. There is nothing, there is no there is nothing to enter valid details, right? It does any information here, any garbage details here, right? And after that choose informations and make payment. Once you click on the make payment, then you will get your order details. You can see your order details here, right? And you will be able to see order details here in your my orders page, right? So once you click on the view items, you will be able to see all of the items, right? So this is the customer functionality, right? One more thing, this is a major project, not mini. It has admin login also. Now for login as an admin, just click on the admin. Just log in as an admin and test. Once you click on the admin, then you will get the admin report. So you can, this is the admin part, right? Here you can see all of the products. You can see there are 11 products inside the system. you can edit and update the details, right? Again, this is the add new product. From here you can add any number of products, right? Okay, so you can see this is a validated form. This is add new product type. From here you can add the product type, add new company. Here you can add the new company, right? And this all details will come here. You can see product type has a drop down. It contains all of the dynamic value, right? What you have added from the form. This is the product reports. All of the product which you have added will be displayed here, right? This is a company report. All of the company will be here, right? Product type report. All of the product type report will be here, right? And the order report. All of the order reports will be here, right? If you want to edit the status, just click on the edit, and after that you can update the status here, right? Dispatched. Once you click on the update status, you can see the order is dispatched here, right? Okay, so this is the customer report. All of the customers which has been registered on the system, all of the customer listing will be here, and you can edit the details of the customer, right? And the logout, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project online gift store. As I told you earlier, this is a Python MySQL Django based project, and if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comments. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to the requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.